We are looking at 24, di ba sinabi ko, 24. Ang nakuha lang 12. So 12 pa. Minus 2. O di 10 pa. Kasi nakita naman na yung dalawa. 10 pa yung yun nasa listahan ng highway patrol. Yun ang hinahanap namin. Kunin namin yun, kaya lang, I think the NCR HPG is here. Siya naman yung sinabihan ko, kunin pa yung dalawa. Is there a possibility? Baka wala na yun dun eh. Yung isa walang susi. Yung isa may susi pero parang hindi mapaandar. Medyo, since it's luxury vehicles, kaya we are very careful naman. Baka masira rin namin. Baka yun dun kami kasuhan. Masira namin yung mga sakyan nila. Pero yung intention na kunin yung mga motor vehicles, I think we were and we are still in good faith na makuha yung mga motor vehicles na yun. Nandun sa ICI compound and we gave them a statement that soon, pag mag-clear lahat yan at you can prove your ownership there, the ICI will release that motor vehicles with you. Because of there's the firearms, we brought EOD K9 also para baka mamaya it's not only firearms ang makita namin doon. It can be explosives also. Wala naman na nakita. Pero on deeper verifications now, we can give you a report kung may nakuha o wala. And I don't give ultimatum naman eh. Ayaw kong nanghaharas naman sa kanila na gaya ng ginagawa nila sa amin na pailan nila kami ng, paulanan kami ng kaso. Hindi naman ganun yung, nakikiusap po kami sa inyo na alam naman ninyo na there's ongoing investigation, billions at that, ang dami nang naapektuhan dahil dyan sa mga issues na yan. Kaya be a solution na lang dito sa ongoing investigation. Don't conceal. Huwag kayong mag-conceal. Kasi after all, lahat naman tayo, even your lawyers, tayo ay, ang responsibility naman lahat natin before the court is magsabi lahat ng katotohanan, hindi to conceal it. So that's my message. At huwag nyo na kaming takot-takutin pa dyan. Ilabas nyo na yung mga sasakyan, subject of the investigation.